Welcome back. Now that you have the initial welcome back. Now that your account settings are welcome back. Now that you have set up your welcome back. Once you have the basic account settings, you can then start the process of building pages. And to do that, you're going to come to your dashboard and you're going to click on this button that says Build a Funnel. You are then going to be brought to this page. And you're going to be given a choice of goals for the page that you want to create. Now you can choose any of the pre-made paths. You can choose the pre-made paths, or you can create a custom funnel. Now for the sake of this video, we are going to start the process of creating pages designed to collect emails. So to do that, we are then going to choose collect emails. We are then going to give this page and funnel a name. If you want to tag this funnel, you can. Otherwise, you can click the button that says Build Funnel. And you'll then have templates available for you to use in order to collect emails. You will select a specific template. Inside of the template designed to collect emails, there are two steps that you will need to customize. There is the opt-in page as well as the thank you page. What we're going to do first is click Edit Page. And there are two sides to the edit screen. To the left side at the top, you're going to be working with the functionality of your page you're going to be working with the functionality of the page that you are editing or creating. On the right side, you're going to be working with the appearance of the page that you are creating.